Be ready. 15 seconds. The submission of Sri Arvind Srivastava, Learned Counsel for the petitioner is in three folds. Stop. Firstly, that the order dated 1/8/2002 by which the term of the Committee of Management has been accepted to be 5 years instead of 3 years was challenged by the petitioner by filing a representation on 18/6/2003, and as such without deciding the said representation the term of the Committee of Management could not be held to be 5 years, and it ought to have been treated as ended after 3 years. Stop. It is secondly contended by Sri Arvind Srivastava that recognition given to the election held in the year 2005 was not in terms of the government order dated 19/12/2000, and thus the impugned order is liable to be set aside. Stop. Lastly, it is submitted that the petitioners held parallel election in the year 2003 and 2006 on which no orders were passed by the Joint Director of Education, and papers have been returned to the Society Oblique Committee of Management, and without the same having been resolved, no decision could have been taken with regard to the election held by the respondent number 5 in May 2005. Stop para. The first submission of learned counsel for the petitioner has no force in view of the fact that the Joint Director of Education White Order dated 8/1/2004 has accepted that the term of the Committee of Management is 5 years. Stop. The same has also been confirmed by the writ court by the judgment and order dated 28/1/2004, passed in writ petition number 2472 of 2004, against which the appeal of the petitioner has also been dismissed. Stop para. As regards the second contention, no material irregularity has been pointed out by the petitioner with regard to the election of the Committee of Management. Stop. Further, what is submitted is that the respondent number 5, the manager of Committee of Management, is not even a member of the society, and as such he is a trespasser and not entitled to be elected as manager or hold the election of the Committee of Management. Stop. It is also submitted that the date of election as contended by the respondent number 5 was 21/5/2005, whereas the Joint Director of Education has held that the election was held on 8/5/2005, which was duly recognized by the Regional Committee on 20/5/2005. Stop. In my view, these are disputed questions of fact that as to whether the elections were held on a particular date or not, and whether the respondent number 5 is the member of the society or not, which cannot be decided in writ jurisdiction, as evidence would have to be adduced by the parties for deciding such issues. Stop. The petitioner was earlier also given an opportunity by the writ court to file a civil suit, and the division bench also, after relying the full bench decision of this court, has held that civil suit would be the appropriate remedy. Stop. The petitioner has chosen not to approach the civil court but has again come up in writ jurisdiction, which is not the proper forum for deciding such issues. Stop.